You see a new picture of Jupiter. Your jaw drops. The swirls of cream and rust look like a painter's masterpiece. The storms are so detailed, so impossibly perfect, that your first thought is, this can't be real. You might even type it in a comment. It must be CGI, a computer-generated image from a Hollywood studio. The vibrant blues at the poles, the intricate cloud formations that look like marbled paper. It all seems too beautiful to be a raw photograph. This is a common reaction born from our experience with digital effects and movie magic. We have been trained to be skeptical of perfection. In an age of deepfakes and advanced digital artistry, our eyes can be fooled. When an image of a distant gas giant looks like a Van Gogh painting rather than a grainy space photo, doubt is natural. People share these images across social platforms, questioning authenticity. Conversations often conclude, artistic impression, not factual. But here is the cosmic truth. Those breathtaking images of Jupiter are absolutely, unequivocally real. They are not paintings. They are postcards from the frontier of human exploration. The journey to why they are real begins with letting go of earthly expectations. We see our world through the filter of atmosphere and limited eyes. Jupiter is not Earth. Unimaginable scale. Violence. A planet whose physics paints with a new palette. The photos are not fake. Our intuition is simply unprepared for Jupiter. The truth is stranger, and more beautiful, than fiction. These pictures challenge our imagination. So let's set the record straight. To get these incredible cosmic portraits, we need powerful eyes. Our two primary observers of Jupiter are the Juno spacecraft and the Hubble Space Telescope. The Hubble Space Telescope, orbiting high above Earth, is like a photographer standing far back with a powerful telephoto lens. It has watched Jupiter for decades, capturing full-disk images and tracking changes like the shrinking Great Red Spot and shifting bands. Then you have Juno, our daredevil photographer. Launched in 2011, arriving in 2016, it swings just a few thousand miles above the storm-racked atmosphere. During these close passes, JunoCam takes stunningly detailed pictures of small sections. Tiny vortices, feathery textures, towering storm systems. Details invisible from Earth or even Hubble. It's this proximity that gives us those CGI-like details. The cameras on these instruments are not like the one in your phone. They are specialized tools capturing specific wavelengths, including infrared and ultraviolet, invisible to our eyes. JunoCam takes a rapid series through red, green, and blue filters as it speeds over the planet. Because it moves so fast, each filtered frame hits a slightly different slice of the cloudscape. The raw data is not a single, pretty picture. It's a stream of numbers and black and white strips encoding light across those slices of the spectrum. This is where the story truly begins. Data arrives as strips. A community of scientists, and even citizen scientists, assembles them, stitches the strips, aligns color channels, and corrects spacecraft motion into a seamless image. It's a blend of science and art, turning instrument readings into the breathtaking views that capture our imagination and make us question what is real. So, if the raw data is strips, how do we get those vibrant colors? This is the core of why people think the images are fake. The process is called color processing, a fundamental step in astronomy. The goal isn't to create a false image, but to enhance reality. Scientists combine red, green, and blue channels to approximate what our eyes might see, then often stretch colors, like turning up contrast and saturation, so subtle features stand out. A faint high-altitude haze might be assigned a brighter blue so it's visible. The haze is real. Its signal is amplified. Colors are rooted in data. Composition, altitude, thickness. Enhancement makes physical differences pop, revealing subtle storms, delicate waves, and boundaries between gases. It helps map winds, track storms, and probe cloud chemistry. Public images include notes for transparency and reproducibility. Distinguish processed scientific images from pure artist concepts. Juno and Hubble start with real photons. While an artist's touch guides processing, the foundation is 100% real data. A scientifically informed interpretation, not a fabrication. Once you accept that these images are real, you can begin to appreciate the staggering science they contain. Jupiter is a world defined by its atmosphere. A deep, chaotic ocean of hydrogen and helium. Zones and belts move in opposite directions. Winds can reach over 335 miles per hour. 539 kilometers per hour, creating immense shear where bands meet. This is where swirling vortices and turbulent eddies are born, captured in stunning detail on a scale that dwarfs Earth. The Great Red Spot, once a simple oval, is revealed as a complex, dynamic system with towering clouds and intricate tendrils, consuming smaller storms and sending waves through the atmosphere. At the poles, massive cyclones arrange in geometric patterns, strangely stable and orbiting like gear wheels. Flashes of shallow lightning hint at water-rich storms behaving unlike anything on Earth. Reddish-brown belts and the Great Red Spot likely come from chromophores, chemical compounds dredged up and altered by sunlight. Their exact identities remain a mystery, but color maps trace their distribution and flow between layers. These images are not just cosmic eye candy, they are fundamental data. By analyzing shapes, sizes, and movements, scientists refine atmospheric models, lessons that extend to Saturn, Neptune, and thousands of giant exoplanets. Public disbelief opens a door for science communication, explaining spacecraft tech, the physics of light, and image processing, turning doubt into curiosity. When we see delicate ammonia ice floating above storms, we witness a landscape both alien and familiar, a place of immense power and beauty. So the next time you see one of these seemingly unreal photos, pause. No, it's not fantasy. It's a true vision of another world, brought to you by human ingenuity and our desire to see beyond the horizon. Look at those swirling storms. And remember, the universe is not only stranger than we imagine, it is more beautiful too,